Did you know there are 6 tenets that make a world-class deal maker? Mark Evans is the guy that everybody comes to when they need a life-changing deal done. The only problem is, over the years, he's gotten so many requests, he decided to make a documentary, to take a year of his life to film and open up his playbook through 6 tell-all chapters that'll unlock the power of how to make life-changing deals for you and for your family. So whether you're making deals in tech or finance or real estate, or in your marriage, or with your kids, or just with yourself, you're gonna go behind the scenes of a no BS private room of about 50 deal makers or so, who are responsible for not only billions in transactions, but they live a very unique ethos. So pay close attention. These 6 deal maker secrets have the power to change the game for you, your family, and for your legacy. So my friend, welcome to this short film, and welcome to the Deal Maker Family documentary.
Man, I feel like I could take over the world, to be honest with you. Just again, with the resources, with guys like Mark, the guys that's in the DM family, I really feel like anything that I put my mind to, I can do. I can do whatever it is that I want to do.
I was probably flipping 10 to 20 houses a year, because again, it was all me. I was running materials, I was running paperwork, offers, like I was doing everything. And then, after connecting with him, actually starting to hire a team, project managers, assistants, acquisitions teams, cold callers. Our biggest year, we probably flipped wholesale or, bought rentals, maybe 100 deals in a year.